I've stated very clearly, I do not answer questions.
Okay. Look, there's some...
You did say something though.
Yes.
What were you saying and why are you here? State your purpose.
Okay.
I am living man Muhammad.
Yes.
I do not contract with the Crown or agents of the Crown. Notice to agent is notice to principal. You're corporate officers of the Crown. Now, why am I being intimidated, harassed, followed, and why are you at my premises? How do you know? What you know? Why do you know? Why are you here? Who, why, what, where?
We're just trying to give you some advice, mate.
I do not answer questions.
Okay.
Advice.
Just listen to what we've got to
I'll
say.
talk to you.
Okay.
Okay. So there's a Telegram account called Jab. Oh, sorry, Kat. Called Jab Crash Test Dummy. Okay. And it's got some 2 videos on there from April of this year, 2022. And those 2 videos show what looks to be conflict between Ukraine and Russia.
Он еще жив.
Он живой еще, блядь. Смотри, куда?
Снимай это все, Марадон.
Мне надо и морды их. Смотри, он живой еще, он хрипит уже. Ну все, он хрипит уже, блядь.
А перчатки хорошие. Да он, блядь, он храпит.
Все, блядь.
Не хочу я его оставлять нахуй. Да не почему.
Все, вот они, блядь, защитнички русской армии. Вон одна догорает, блядь. Одна догорает. Слава Украине!
Героям слава!
Грузины, блядь. А вот, блядь, трофей, сука. А вот и трофейчик есть, блядь. Есть трофейчик. Чуть дали. Возьми меня с ней. Не ходите к нам на землю, блядь.
Захищай рід, захищай себе!
Захищай рід, захищай себе!
Тут!
Тут!
Будь то!
Будь то!
Еще вперед! Слава оборону! Слава оборону!
так буде з кожним. От так буде з кожним, піде. Кричи. Кричи. Давай. І так буде з кожним ворогом, хто прийшов вбивати наших жінок, дітей і ганьбить нашу землю. Слава Україні і смерть ворогам!
Сегодня с уверенностью можем сказать, что Мариуполь, город, полностью очищен со стороны Азовсталя. Это административное здание Азовсталя. Спецоперация по уничтожению и очистке Мариуполя сегодня, можно сказать, завершено. Указание президента страны Владимира Владимировича Путина выполнено. Указание Рамзана Ахматовича, главы Чеченской Республики, приказ выполнен. Ахмат! Сила!
And those two videos may be restricted under the Classifications Act, which that carries a penalty of imprisonment and a fine. So if that is your Telegram account and those are your videos that you've posted on there, my recommendation to you, and it's just some advice, that those two videos are removed, or the Telegram account is set up so those aged under the age of 18 cannot have access to those videos. Okay? So I've got a copy of that legislation here, which I can give you. I'll just leave it here. Have you got any questions for me, sir?
I have information. I'm privy to information which the rest of the world, and this is evidence in the public domain, categorically irrefutable evidence in the public domain, international law. The mayor of the city, Phil Goff, who you report to or work for, has led a pro-Ukraine march. Ukraine is on record from 2014 for being not just fascist and neo-Nazi, but a genocide that is ongoing. This country, the Crown, and you, arm and fund marching Nazis in Ukraine. That's just public knowledge. Now you're pissing on your grandfather's graves. How do you feel about that?
Okay. I think I've done here. We've just passed on that advice to you.
I've also given you some advice.
Thank you. Now,
Yeah, we'll take it on board.
and
It's
you're
called
allowed
war
your
crimes.
opinions, and I'm,
You're party to
I'm
war
not taking
crimes.
a
You're
side of Ukraine or Russia.
right
I'm
now
just
you're
saying
committing
the
propaganda for
particular-
war, which is war crimes.
particular videos
You're
may be
intimidating
restricted.
someone. You don't know who you're talking to. I'm living man Muhammad. I don't contract with the Crown. I don't know what your business here is. You can't contract with me. Second, now have you given the advice to the mayor, Phil Goff, about his criminal activity and funding genocide and supporting genocide? Will you do that this afternoon after this visit? So Phil Goff is not going to get a warning on mass murder and genocide that he's supporting, arming, funding, this country is, but a random internet video solicits a visit from Detective who again?
Andy Smith.
Andy Smith, and well done. New Zealand, this is where your tax dollars are going.
Okay, thanks, Mohammed.
Please take the advice on board.
I suggest you take the advice on board as well, gentlemen. War crimes is a serious matter. Now, you've come to my premises. Do not ever come again. Do not intimidate New Zealand citizens again. One question, detectives.
Sure. Yeah.
Medsafe.gov.nz. I checked it this morning. 62,000 Kiwis injured of the Pfizer drug. Dead and injured children. Do I need to wheel the children out in wheelchairs? I know a few dead bodies. Do I need to bring them to the precinct? When is that investigation happening?
Okay, we'll talk to you later.
Yeah? No murder investigation for Kiwi children? Yeah, thank you.